What's up, you guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another barber tutorial. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Jorge Zepeda. I'm a barber in Vacaville, California. I cut at Velocity Cuts. And then in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I do a burst taper on an afro. Alright, you guys, to begin the haircut, I will start by using my trimmers just to go ahead and set in that first guideline. Now here I'm actually switching over to my cordless magic clips with no guard with my lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and create a guideline by going up about an inch. Now I want to go ahead and start to knock out that bottom line, so what I'm doing is I have my no guard all the way closed, and I'm going to be going up about 1/4 of an inch. Now with the lever halfway, go ahead and finish blending out that bottom line. Here, using my number 1 guard all the way closed, I'm going to go ahead and create another guideline by going up about an inch. Now you want to go ahead and open the lever all the way, and then you want to continue blending up by going up about 1/4 of an inch. Now using my half guard, I'm going to be alternating by using the lever all the way closed, halfway, and then all the way open, just to go ahead and get rid of that bottom line. Now I have my number 1.5 guard all the way closed, and we're going to continue blending up by going up about 1/4 of an inch. Now using the lever all the way open, I'm going to start to kind of scoop out as much as I can just to kind of blend in the taper with the fro as much as I can before I go in and actually shape it up. Here I noticed that there was still a little bit of dark spots inside the taper, so what I ended up doing was I grabbed my number 1 guard and I basically started playing with my lever using the corners and stuff just to go ahead and remove any dark spots in the taper. Here I have my cordless magic clips with the lever all the way closed, and now I'm gonna start to begin to shape up the neck. Now here for the side taper, you want to make sure that you guys are, the first guideline is like the most important part. You want to make sure it's a nice oval shape, just so every other guideline that you set, you want to go ahead and follow that shape. Now here I have a no guard all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and go up about 1/2 inch. And if you guys notice with this guideline, I'm keeping it the exact same shape as I did with the trimmers. Now to go ahead and get rid of that bottom line, I have my no guard all the way closed, and I'm going to be going up about 1/4 inch. Now with the no guard halfway, we're going to finish blending out that bottom line by going up about 1/4 inch. Now here I have my number 1 guard all the way closed, and I'm going to continue blending up by going up 1/2 inch. Now with the number 1 guard all the way open, we're going to continue to blend up by going up about 1/4 inch. Now here I have my half guard all the way closed, and we're going to begin to blend out that bottom line by going up about 1/4 inch. Then you want to go ahead and open it up halfway and then finish blending out that bottom line. Now I have my number 1.5 guard all the way closed, and then we're going to continue blending up by going up 1/4 inch. Now here with my cordless seniors with the no guard all the way closed, we're going to go ahead and start to shape up the taper. Here I have my number 2 guard all the way closed, and here I'm just kind of flicking out at the very top just to make that transition a little bit better. Here I'm going to start to begin to line them up, and like always, whenever you guys are lining anyone up, you want to make sure the line is nice and crispy, that way the haircut actually stands out. Now for the hairline, I am going to shape it up just because like whenever I do these haircuts, I don't really like the layover hair. I like to leave the front hairline nice and short and nice and straight up. That way when you get that nice line on it, it looks really nice. Now working on his front hairline, we're going to go ahead and start from the middle and try to leave it as natural as possible, but you do want to leave it nice and crispy. Now I didn't actually record the part where I put some product in his hair. I was basically using some Elegance gel, and I went ahead and put it into his hair, into the root of his hair. And now I have my twist sponge, and you want to go ahead and work all that product in, and that way he could get them nice curls. But you guys, that was the cut. If you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys want to see more videos like this one, check out my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JZepetaTheBarber. But that's it for me today, you guys. I'll see you guys next week.
$1 I don't flex to be acknowledged. At this point it's common knowledge. All you haters been abolished. You in the club throwing dollars, but I'm saving mine so my kids go to college. Or maybe whatever they wanna do.